Hey guys, Corey Scott here, and I want to talk to you today about a situation that happens all the time. And this is what I want to talk about. There's this scenario to where you get a phone call from the police, or they're at the house and they're asking you to come down to the station so that they can get your side of the story. And I've seen this time and time and time again. And so what I want to impart on you today is it's just a simple phrase. It's a simple phrase. It's something that's very easy to remember, because here's the context. And this is what people say after the fact, after they've been charged, after they've been convicted, after they went down to the station foolishly and said some things they shouldn't have said, which, by the way, you shouldn't be saying anything, by the way. But this is what they say. They say, Mr. Scott, they came to the office, or they called me. I got a call from the detective, and he didn't tell me what it was all about, just said he wanted to know my side of the story. Or he just told me a little bit about what this was about, and then he wanted me to come down so that he can talk to me. He said that the only way that he could help me is if he had my side of the story. And he told me all about this other stuff that he supposedly knew and what his investigation was. But I went down there not knowing really anything, or just a very little bit. Here is some very simple advice, a very simple phrase. Tattoo this on your brain. Tattoo this on your brain and just save it for when you need it. And here it is. If you don't know, don't go. I'm going to say it again. If you don't know, don't go. If you don't know what they're talking about, if you don't know what they're investigating, if you don't know what they're potentially accusing you of, don't go. Why would you leave the safety and comfort of your home to go and talk to law enforcement authorities who won't even give you the courtesy of telling you what the heck it's about? Who won't even tell you what they suspect you of? Who won't even be honest with you? Who won't even level with you about what is going on? If you don't know, don't go. Because the only thing that you can do, not knowing anything, is you can go down there, you can implicate yourself, you can go down there, you can incriminate yourself, you can go down there a free person and then end up an incarcerated person, a person has been detained, all because you went down there not knowing anything and you did yourself great harm. So remember, if you ever need it, and it may not be for you, maybe you're a person that you can't even envision ever getting this phone call. That's fine. Well, send it to your cousin, send it to your uncle, send it to your niece, your nephew. Show your kids, pass it along. But just remember, if you don't know, don't go. I hope that this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please call me, text me. I'd love to talk to you. And just remember this: if you have to be guilty of anything, be guilty of greatness. Take great care.